All right, Micromod here again, and basically we're going to check out the fire situation here in Southern California. So I'm going to go ahead and fly my DJI drone here. All right. Let's see what the sky says over here. Air quality is really bad over here, so let's see how the air quality looks all across the Southland here today. Okay, so let's take a little. I have it on sport mode to get up high quick. All right, and try to get some good view over here. Okay, now let me put it back on regular mode, and let's take a panoramic view of the area here. So you can see it's really smoggy, the whole area. From the fires, of course. And this time the smoke has covered all across Southern California. Now you can't even see there's Knott's Berry Farm right there, and now I'm pointing south towards the Pacific Ocean, and you can't even see the ocean anymore compared to the other day. I'm actually wearing a mask right now because a bunch of ash is falling everywhere. I don't want to breathe that crap in. But and we got fires going on in Riverside. That's Riverside area that way towards there. Actually, over here is Riverside, and then there's another fire going on over here towards the LA area right here. This is I think Monrovia, Arcadia. There's another fire going on there. So there's basically fires everywhere going on over here. But yeah, it's really bad smoke. And air quality is really bad. We actually had a chemical gas leak earlier in the city of Compton, and it had a really bad gas smell. We thought it was like a terrorist attack or something. I'm like, what the heck? It was all in our house. So look at all that. I mean, it's just unbelievable how much smoke is everywhere. The smoke is higher up in the altitude, so down here where I'm at on ground level, it's actually it's pretty clear. You can see down here pretty good. I mean, as you can see, you can still see Knott's Berry Farm, but I think a couple years back, the smoke from Riverside fire, Holy Fire that was going on, it was blocking everything. You couldn't even see like this close. But the upper altitudes is where most of the fire is. That's LA area right there. You can't even see LA from here. Typically, I think you could almost see LA. I know I could see the LA from the Cedar Fire Freeway down here. There's let me go over here so you guys can see. Let's turn it around. Right over here. So right there at that merger, when I'm coming over from the 5 to the 91, I could actually see LA pretty good. I can see the towers in LA and everything. But now, I mean, I'm way up there in altitude. I'm 104 meters up, and you can't even see nothing of LA. So LA should be like somewhere in the horizon right there somewhere. It's gone. All right, so yeah, look, check it out. You know, the fire is still going on. I don't even remember what's today's date. September 10th, 5:59, 6 p.m. You know, September 10th, 2020. So let me go ahead and let's bring this bad boy back down. Where am I at here? Okay, so I'm pointing. Yep, okay. All right, so let's go down. I just went straight up. I didn't even cruise around anywhere. So let's bring this bad boy straight down. Okay. So let's swing it across this way so we can at least see the freeway as I'm coming down. Okay. But yeah, if you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Hopefully these wildfires will stop soon as we enter the late years coming in for 2020 here. Definitely crazy times ahead for sure. So let's bring this bad boy in for a landing here. Okay. Let's move around this way. And here we go. You like my old washer there. Okay. All right, make sure you subscribe to this video. Until next time, peace out.